Are you ready to step into the world of the most luxurious ships on the planet? Let's begin. In 2014, Norwegian Cruise Line placed a $700 million order with Meyer Werft in Germany. The Norwegian Joy has a gross tonnage of 167,725 stretches, while you're 70 feet long, and carries 4,622 passengers with 1,821 crew members. Following its success in Asia and the US, Norwegian Cruise Line pushed the boundaries again. That's when the Norwegian Bliss arrived, built with the mission of conquering the wild landscapes of Alaska.